Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Russ, and today I'm going to talk about one feature which I love about this car, but I wish was implemented in a better way, and I'm talking about the blind spot monitor. So the reason I got a 2024 Sport, but the big reason was because it came with the blind spot monitor included, and it's this thing here in the corner. So it came included in the package. If I went for the premium model, that's one up from the base, I would have to have the package, optional package 15 included in order to have this feature, but the Sport already had it, so it made sense. The price was not much different, maybe like $1,000 or $800, something like that. So we went for the Sport, and one of the main features which I love about the Sport that it came included is the blind spot monitor. But having said that, actually using it, I found something that I'm not a fan of, and let me explain. So the thing I don't like is the fact that this blind spot monitor tells you about a car hiding in your blind spot by lighting up this little panel in orange. But when you are signaling, for example, left turn, the far end also turns orange. So sometimes in your mind, you would look, you would see no car, you would signal, this far edge starts blinking orange, and in your mind, you are not that quick to react to this thing blinking orange as well. So in the end, I just wish it was a different color, because I'll show you a video when I was merging on a highway. I'm indicating left, this thing is blinking orange as well. So in my mind, if you just do a quick glance and you don't see a car behind you, you just think that all of this is just your car signaling that it's turning left. And you don't think of it as a danger or anything like that. So you kind of have to train your mind that this is the orange you have to pay attention to, and not the far end one. Or if they both start blinking, that actually also means no go. And you know, it's funny that I was just overtaking a Mercedes the other day, and not overtaking, but I was just basically in his blind spot, and it was like a newer Mercedes coupe. And I saw that as soon as I was in his blind spot, the blind spot monitor on that car was turning red. And that guy probably looks at it, sees that it's red, and he doesn't go. That's it. Simple. Solved. But to me, the fact that they're both orange color, it's just a missed opportunity. And I did have one instance where I turned left. I signaled left by turning the blinker. I looked. Nobody was there. I started turning the wheel, and suddenly somebody started beeping at me because there was a lady in my blind spot and I did not see her. And then I looked back at the tape, and this thing was blinking as well. But in my mind, I just didn't associate the two. In my mind, it was a quick glance that all happened like about a second or two, and I thought that this simply means that the car is turning left, and that's why it's blinking. So yeah, if you have Subaru Forester with blind spot monitor, just keep that in mind. Be aware that this thing turns orange when there's something is hiding in your blind spot, but when you actually turn, it starts blinking more if you actually start turning. So yeah, just keep that in mind. Okay, as you could see, it's turning, you see it's blinking, which is a little confusing, and now they're both blinking. So yeah guys, just make the light different color. It would be so much better. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and please feel free to subscribe if you found this information helpful and if you like watching my videos. Take care.